Welcome to SnapRide, Australia's trusted driver app, designed to make every ride rewarding, reliable, and effortless. Getting started is simple. Join SnapRide in just a few taps. Log in if you're already a driver, or sign up. Start your journey to earn with ease. Next, let's set up your account. Add your email, create a strong password, and confirm it, and you're ready to move forward. Or choose the faster way. Sign up with Apple or Google. To get you connected with riders nearby, SnapRide needs access to your location. This helps you find trips faster and ensures secure ride tracking. Next, pick the state you'll be driving in. This helps us follow local rules and ensure your trips are matched correctly. It's a quick step toward getting started. Once you've selected your state, you'll be asked to upload the required documents. Here in Western Australia, drivers need to provide documents such as their license and proof of identity. Other states may have slightly different requirements, but SnapRide will guide you through each step. Now it's time to build your profile. Just fill in your name, contact info, and address. Upload a clear photo so riders can recognize you easily. Add your bank and license information to get set for payouts and rides. It's a few steps that take you closer to driving and earning. Once you've completed your profile, we'll send an OTP to your registered number. Enter the code here to confirm your contact details and move one step closer. Your profile is verified. Now, let's add your vehicle details. Enter your car registration number, model, and ownership. Not sure which category your vehicle falls under? You can always check the SnapRide website for guidance. Now it's time to upload your documents. This includes license, insurance, and other required documents. Ensure each image you upload is clear and easy to read, so your verification happens smoothly. And this gets you one step closer to driving with SnapRide. Next, let's set up your payments with Stripe, our trusted payment partner. To get started, enter your email and phone number. Stripe will use these to verify your account and ensure the security of your payouts. Next, Stripe will send a verification code to your registered phone number. Enter the code here to confirm your login and secure your account. Now, tell Stripe a bit about your business. Select your country and business type, and specify whether you have an ABN. This helps Stripe verify your account and set up your payouts correctly. When you confirm that you have an ABN, Stripe will ask for additional details. Simply enter your legal business name, ABN, and business address to finalize this step. Next, add your account details for payout. You can choose to link a bank account or a debit card. Simply enter your information, and your payouts will be securely set up. Next, you'll be asked to review your information. Double-check your personal and banking information, then tap Agree and Submit to finish setting up your account. After successfully submitting all your details and documents, you'll be logged out of the app. For security reasons, your account will remain inactive and automatically logged out for 14 days while we complete the verification process. If you need any assistance during this time, you can always contact our support team. Once you complete your verification and log back in, you'll be welcomed to the SnapRide community. Here, you'll find our guidelines and policies, a handy guide to help you stay informed, book rides smoothly, and deliver the best experience. After reviewing the community guidelines, you'll arrive at the driver dashboard. Here you can keep track of your total earnings, trip duration, and ride history, including completed, cancelled, and declined trips. You'll also be able to manage your vehicle type to stay aligned with the right ride categories. You'll also have access to the Pocket page, where all your ride activity is kept organised. Toggle between completed, rider cancelled, and cancelled trips. Everything you need in one place. Alongside your ride history, the Stripe dashboard gives you a secure record of every transaction. Here, you will see your transaction history, where payments are documented in detail and your total earnings are updated in real time. Now you can go online and take control of your driving schedule. Begin your journey with SnapRide, start accepting rides, and enjoy the freedom of flexible earning. You'll now see ride requests from nearby riders as they appear. Each request comes as a pop-up with clear trip details. Review the information, and with a single tap, you can choose to accept or decline the ride. Once you accept a ride, additional trip details will appear instantly. You can also tap the navigation button for guided directions, making it simple to reach the rider's pickup location without hassle. When you arrive at the pickup point, tap Arrive to notify your rider. Wait up to 5 minutes. If the rider runs late, you can call them directly through the SnapRide app. In case of an emergency, tap the emergency button anytime. Once your rider arrives, enter their OTP to begin the trip securely. When you reach the rider's destination and drop them safely, tap on End Trip to finish the ride and complete the journey. Once the trip ends, you'll have the option to rate your rider. Your feedback is valuable in creating a trusted and safe SnapRide experience. Thank you for driving with SnapRide. We're here to support you every mile, helping you earn with enthusiasm and drive with ease.